Revolutionize your workflow with cutting-edge AI chatbots. ChatGPT generates human-like text. Claude creates personalized content. Midjourney produces stunning images. DALL-E crafts unique art. Canva designs visually appealing graphics. Notion AI streamlines workflow management. 11 Labs enhances voice acting. Runway edits videos automatically. Perplexity answers complex questions. Leonardo AI builds custom chatbots. These tools are free and powerful. Let's count down the top 5. Number 5 is Perplexity, answering questions. Number 4 is Runway, editing videos. Number 3 is 11 Labs, perfecting voices. Number 2 is Notion AI, managing tasks. Number 1 is ChatGPT, generating text. Try these AI chatbots today. Explore their features and capabilities. Discover how they can boost productivity. Save time and effort with automation. Take your business to the next level. Stay ahead of the competition. Get started with AI chatbots now. Visit our website for more information. This is part 7 of the free AI tools series. Catch part 8 by subscribing to our channel. New videos are released every week. Don't miss out on the latest AI tools. Subscribe now and stay updated. Join our community of AI enthusiasts. Learn about the latest AI trends. Improve your workflow with free AI tools. We'll see you in the next video.